Hi folks, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. Normally I would have a hat on, but I just finished cooking for about 20 people, and we're having, see that? It's a soft taco covered in cheese with one side chicken, the other side with peppers and beef. And I did 16 boxes, and they have Spanish rice. They have a cupcake, a salad, and also chopped fresh fruit for some of them, or a whole orange or a mandarin orange, or the kids, apple slices. But everybody's well fed. That's the main thing. And like I said, it's easy to make. You just know how to cook because, you know, you can put this all set up and ready to go. All you need is a microwave LA prepper, and you have a nice, delicious meal. Because I always prep for stuff, and I'm a very good cook. You tried cooking for 20 people, 4 children, and 16 individuals, all elderly or disabled, that has certain problems to eat. So I do well cook. And a lot of people says, but Uncle Al, I don't know how to cook. See how nice that came out? So anyway, this is a short video. Learn how to cook, folks. I'm really stressing it because the next 2 years is going to be really bad. Sorry, Wayne, the ungrateful president. I've been monitoring very carefully Okinawa and Guam airspace. People forget that the Communist Chinese, CCP, has 2 fleets. One's a fishing fleet and the other's the Navy. Navy has 2 components. One's the regular Navy and one's the Coast Guard. Now their cutters are a little weird because it's more like either a destroyer type or a cruiser type, and it's written Chinese Coast Guard. I could tell the types, and that's way too big for like a cutter. You know, when you see compares Japan's cutter versus theirs, it's like, gee, that boat's on steroids. So anyway, this is just a short one. I'm giving people a heads up. It's getting really weird over there. And a lot of the military are looking at Biden. We might have a 7 days in May situation, and somebody's going to prison for leaking information. Now, you got to remember, United States military follow the Constitution, not political gamemanship. And a lot of the, I can't say cough, cough, Democrats, cough, cough, Republicans, cough, cough, sold out, cough, cough, for 40 pieces of silver are in big trouble. Okay? And people, they say, we're protesting Myanmar. It's Burma. I don't believe in new names. Okay? Trouble with Burma is that coup was planned by the Myanmar military and the communist Chinese because they need a free water port. India's mad. They might be going into Burma to crush the so-called how can I say it politely? So-called takeover, but in the way is Bangladesh. And Bangladesh is kind of iffy with China. So you have all these problems going on in the world. I do recommend people watch Gil's channel, Cap Patton's Family Compound, tomorrow. We're discussing about a few other things, and we're going to discuss about love. But this is a heads up. I hope you listen. And like I said, you're not at my level on survival or prepping. Okay? Uncle Alan might have to give up on the month of March because I'm really not that well, folks. And I have already 4 ladies taking over my cooking positions today. I've been talking to them. I had to end my, sorry, Will, I had to end my thing short for Will for 2 reasons. I had other meetings and I had 15 church calls. I do run the church hotline. You call the church and it comes to me. I had 15 people after the live stream with Will waiting for me. So I had a lot of things I have to do. Right now, it's almost 3:30. I'm barely eating lunch after doing all that. I'm setting up things. I'm still doing the food boxes, and I'm doing other projects in my community to help these people out. It's really hard when we have dinguses and politicians. I don't care what party it is. If you hurt my people, I'm going to figure out a way to hurt you guys. Hard. Okay? I'll catch you later, folks, and you have a nice day.